After a bunch of trades and logging information in your trade journal, you need to know how to analyze it all. The good news is it's really simple. All you have to do is find what is working and keep doing it, and find what isn't working and stop doing it. You'll find what is working and not working by analyzing your data and asking the right questions. You can break down your analysis into smaller categories like a specific day of the week or a certain currency pair. Here are some examples of questions you can ask yourself as you review your trading journal. What type of chart patterns or technical indicators are working the best for you? What's not working? Is there any way to adjust the indicators you're using to get into trades earlier or to help avoid fakeouts? Are you closing your winning trades too early? Could you adjust where you're putting your take profit line? Or would this cause you to miss out on some trades that would have closed in profit with the tighter take profit? Are you holding on to losing trades too long? Is there any way to improve your stop loss processes? Are you always following your trading plan to a T? Have you been profitable when doing so? Were there any trade setups that you missed or didn't take, and why? Was it a good signal based on your trading system, but for some reason you just didn't take it? What could you have done differently with your trades to maximize your gain or to avoid or reduce the loss? Have you been doing better in trending or ranging markets? What else is similar in the market environments of your winning or losing trades? Were most of your wins or losses with a certain currency pair, or was it random? Were there any news events that made the market more volatile that caused you to win or lose trades? During which trading sessions did you win the most trades? During which trading sessions did you lose the most trades? Are there certain days of the week that consistently have more losing than winning trades, or more winning than losing trades? Should you eliminate trading on certain days and only trade on others? As you can imagine, asking these types of questions as you analyze your trading journal will help you to quickly filter out the actions that have kept you from winning more pips. As you start out, you want to get to the point where you've figured out what works for you, and then you want to only do those things. Once you've figured that out, consistently practice what works until it becomes a habit. Journalizing is going to help you to stay organized and maximize your performance. It will also help you to constantly adjust your strategy as the markets change. Now, I'm not going to lie, keeping a trading journal is hard, and it's definitely worth it. It's definitely something you have to develop a habit for. It will keep you going while others give up and help you to maximize your profits in the market. A trade journal can be time-consuming and take a lot of work, but I want to compare becoming a professional trader in the Forex market to a professional athlete. Some of the best professional athletes in the world train for hours a day just to be at their best to play a 40-minute game. Or think of Usain Bolt, the world record holder of the 100-meter sprint. He trains for hours on end just to run a 9.58-second race. It's not uncommon for a professional athlete to spend far more time practicing or training for an event than actually participating in it. While the act of journaling really isn't that hard, it is a time-intensive process that will require consistent effort on your part. But like I said, it's worth it, so just do it.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.